Two 4x4 squares intersect at right angles, bisecting their intersecting sides as shown. The circle's diameter is the segment between the 2 points of intersection. What is the area of the shaded region by removing the circles from the squares? So the area of the region we are supposed to find out is this, the shaded region. This is the region we have to find out. Now to find out this region, we need to find the area of the two squares and subtract the area of the circle from it. Now, if we can start with the naming the vertices. I think that would help. So I have done another diagram of this where I remove the shading and I can just see the lines, and I think it helps to see where the squares overlap and they intersect each other, and also mark out the relevant portions. So what I did is I would name them. So A, then I could do B and C, D, E, F, G and H, and I'd also name draw the diameter first. This would be the diameter of the circle. So that I can call these X and Y, and I can also call the center O. It's not very much needed for this question, but still. So the area of the part that we have to find out, if I call that AB, that would be, so the required areas, if I say required area would be area of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and minus area of the circle. So for now, that's what we, very broadly speaking, that is what it is. So now we'll see how to get there. So now we know the sides of the square they've given us 4. It's a 4x4 square, and these two squares, they bisect each other at right angle. They intersect at right angles, bisecting the intersecting sides is shown. So it's all equal everywhere. So this is equal. H equals HG equals HY equals HX. So AX equals, sorry, not AX, AH equals HX equals HY equals HG, and that equals 2. Okay, so they're all 2. And XY equals HD is the diameter. XY equals HD, and that is diameter. So our first job is to find the area of the circle. So we have to find the radius or the diameter, the length of the diameter. So this is a right angle triangle, XY, XHX, because the squares intersect at right angles. So angle YHX is 90 degrees, and therefore XY square equals HY square plus HX square, and you see they are all 2. So we can say that XY equals square root of 2 square plus 2 square, that would equal square root of 4 plus 4, that is square root of 8, that is square root of 8 is 4 times 2, so that is 2 root 2. So therefore area of the circle would equal pi r square. So pi times that's the diameter. So we have to divide it by 2. So we'd get pi root 2 square. That would give you 2 pi. So now area of the shape of the shaded region. Now this is the shaded region. If you add up the area of the two squares, what we have is the overlapped region. So we have to take away the overlapped region as well. Otherwise, we're doing double counting. So we have to do minus area of overlapped region. Right? So then what we can write is area of the circle we have got. Area of the larger squares, area of larger squares, larger squares, whatever, larger squares equal 4 square, that is 16, and area of small square, that is hy dx, the small square, that would equal 2 square, that is 4. So area of the shaded region or required area that would equal 16 plus 16 minus area of the square, that is 2 pi, and minus we have to take out the area of the square. So that is, because that is double counted. Okay, so one count is with the circle, one count is with the square. So it's counted twice. So we have to take one count out. So not both of them. So we do minus 4. So I don't know if I could explain that bit properly, but this is what it is. We have to take it out only one time once it is counted part of one square. So what we could do is 16 and 16 is 32, minus 4 is 28, minus 2 pi. So the answer is 28 minus 2 pi.